we're going to look at creating box plots. And so here I have my female pulse rates and my male pulse rates. So I can select the graph, choose box plot. I'm going to choose female pulse rates and press compute, and it gives me a box plot. And if I move my cursor on the box plot, it identifies traits about this box plot. So it gives me the lower and upper limits where the whiskers start and stop. It also gives me the median and the quartiles, Q1 and Q3. That's the range over which that blue box appears. And then it identifies that there's two outliers. So I see an outlier here. This is, if I move the cursor right on top of it, is a pulse rate of 104. And also up here, there's a pulse rate of 124. So this is using the modified box plot and using the 1.5 IQR criterion for identifying fences. Now, if I wish, I could go in, choose graph, box plot. Notice that if I choose female pulse rates, there's an option down here that says use fences to identify outliers. It comes checked, so if I uncheck it, it will no longer identify the outliers and just give me a more basic box plot. So press compute, and so now the whisker goes all the way up to 124 as opposed to stopping at the 96 and identifying 124 as an outlier. Another thing you can do with box plots is compare two different data sets at the same time. So if I choose box plot, and this time click on one, press the Command or Control key, get the other two up here as well, I'm going to not use fences, do a more basic box plot, compute, and now I have the two box plots side by side to make easy comparison.